Hey guys, in this video we are going to look how you can use Etsy and especially the EtsyHunt Etsy rank tool, which is a Chrome extension to gather data from Etsy for your digital product, your SaaS or whatsoever. So first of all, get this free Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. Just create a free account and you're ready to go. And I'm now going to show you how we now can gather data from Etsy. So for example, if we enter the search term Notion, as I did here, we can see that the tool generates us a comparison of those search terms and how many views they get. For example, you can see Notion template gets around 3 million views, while Notion Life Planner gets 10 million views. So kind of a important one and quite often used one, and if you combine those two, you get even more views. So quite interesting to gather those data. If you're now searching for this Notion template and we click on one of them, we land on this basic Etsy shop page, and what we can see here is that below all the Etsy information, the EtsyHunt rank tool also gives us some deep insights into the product. So we see, for example, when it was released, how many reviews it has, the review ratio, the total sales, how often it's marked as favorites, and a lot of other important data. We also get a average conversion rate, which also really interesting to know about. And you also can see that it's right now the price is off. And you also can see the development of the metrics during the past, it's like a year. So yeah, we also see which tags are like the current text and also which text this person used in the past. So you can see, for example, that it used Notion Create and now it's primarily Notion Planner, and we also can see that Notion is only in each of those tags mentioned. So quite interesting to get those insights and also to get a feeling for what people are searching for. Another quite interesting information we get if we click on the profile of the seller on the shop, we get information as well. So for example, we see this person started in 2019, has around 300 sales per week, which is quite a lot. Total sales of 120,000, and you see all those different metrics. You also can see which are their best sellers and all of those data. So what can we do with the data? So if you want to sell a Notion template, really dig into this data and focus on the text this person is using, because this person seems to do something right because they sell a lot of those templates. 1,900 sales is really a lot for a Notion template, and use those data. Another thing which is quite interesting to see if you're planning to sell your own digital product on Etsy is which ones are the best sellers, and you also then can compare maybe the pictures and which pictures are appealing to people, which are not, and also which categories are popular. So because if you upload those your digital product on Etsy, you have to choose which category it is in. And yeah, if you look at the categories those successful accounts are using, you can really learn a lot from them. So yeah, I hope this helped you. I just used Notion template as an example here, but it doesn't matter if you sell a Canva template or whatever on Etsy, it's completely the same principle. Get the EtsyHunt Etsy rank tool and just dig into the data of your competitors, especially of those which are successful, maybe out of those which are not successful, to see what not to do, and then use those free informations to optimize your products. Yeah, thank you so much.